Hey there! Is your Kindle Fire HD7 refusing to charge, leaving you unable to dive into your favorite reads? Don't worry. In this guide, I'll walk you through a detailed step-by-step process on how to fix the charging port on a Kindle Fire HD7. Whether it's a loose connection or debris causing the issue, we've got you covered. Step 1. Diagnose the problem. Before diving into solutions, it's important to identify the root cause of the charging issue. Start by checking if the USB cable and charger are functioning properly. Try using alternative charging equipment to ensure the problem lies with the Kindle and not the accessories. Other devices are charging correctly and your Kindle isn't. The charging port might be the issue. Step 2. Clean the charging port. One of the common culprits of charging problems is debris or dust in the port. Use a flashlight to inspect the charging port. If you notice any lint or debris, take a toothpick or a small non-metallic item and gently remove the particle. Be cautious not to damage the port's internal components. A can of compressed air can also be effective. Just make sure you're blowing air in short, controlled bursts. Step 3. Check for loose connections. If cleaning doesn't resolve the issue, the charging port may be loose. Gently insert the charger into the port and see if it feels secure. Wiggle the connector slightly to see if it establishes a connection. If it feels loose or unstable, the port might need to be tightened or realigned. Step 4. Realign or replace the charging port. Before proceeding with any internal fixes, ensure your device warranty period is over. Opening the device may void it. To realign or replace the charging port, you might need to open your Kindle. Use a plastic opening tool to carefully pry open the back cover. Once open, locate the charging port. Ensure it's securely attached to the motherboard. If it's misaligned, gently adjust its position. For port placement, desolder the existing port and solder a new one in its place. This step may require specific tools and experience. If unsure, seek professional help. Step 5. Test the device. After performing these adjustments, reattach the back cover and attempt to charge your Kindle again. If the device charges successfully, congratulations, fix the problem. If not, reviewing prior steps or consulting a professional technician might be necessary. Fixing the charging port on a Kindle Fire HD7 might seem daunting, but with careful inspection and the right approach, it's entirely manageable. Whether cleaning, adjusting connections, or carefully replacing components, patience and precision are key. Remember, if ever in doubt, professional help is available and can be a wise choice to prevent further damage. With your Kindle back up and running, you can return to enjoying your favorite books seamlessly. Happy reading.